has finally arrived. So this is it, leaving base camp to ascend to the Tepui. There it is, 5 kilometres, 800 metres in altitude. That's where we're going. I'm asking for permission to come up to the top and enjoy Mount Roraima. Just at the resting point of the ramp. This is the view. This is how far we have walked today. You'll see base camp way down below, and we're still zooming in, and we're still zooming in. There's base camp. Woo! Dark Swan Explore.
Final steps until the top. So we can see here there is the Tears path because of the waterfall right there. It's coming down a little bit, I think we'll see. And that's the final way. That's the top. Just a few more minutes to the top. We're almost there. We're in the clouds already. That's a crazy environment.
Oh. Yes! Yes, Lewis, we've done it!
Yay!
Fucking hell! Good job, man!
Yeah!
Congratulations!
Woo! Yeah! We did it!
Are you? There's one thing you get when you're up here is wet. So we arrived to the summit about 2.5, 3 hours ago, had a bite to eat. We wait for the rain to abate. If you can see up there, that's our hotel under that rock face. That's our hotel for 2 nights. A little bit of energy back now after that incredible hike. You see the crater, Roraima. This is vast, 14 kilometres square, with an elevation of up to 300 metres. So it's not smooth, you can see it's full of rock pools and uneven terrain. Just what your tired legs after the ascent need. It's like another planet. Another planet.
Can you believe it? Qualidade Teteu e Mount Roraima.
These are the tourists taking photos of the frog. Oh, Matthias.
That's nice. He likes you.
The reason why we're taking lots of videos of this little cheeky black frog is because it doesn't live anywhere else on this planet apart from here, on top of this tepui. Now that must be the smallest frog on Roraima. So we're heading to the highest point on top of the tepui. Peak, but look at this. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I give you a base camp. Peak pioneers settling down for a bite to eat. The evening ritual, brush our teeth. And it's only 8 o'clock in the evening. Oh, another 5 minutes. There's Matthias. Good morning, Matthias. Look at that view. So I'm going to get my coffee from the hotel. And there's the hotel. Hey, buenos dias. So we've had our morning breakfast, dos panqueque, and we're off to the viewpoint. And we have been so lucky with the weather. Look how beautiful it is.
But I have to say, Steve, I was feeling a little bit scared because the drone was so. You have to be cold-blooded to fly right there.
Yeah, we're very fortunate. I don't know if you can see. Let me zoom in. The three edges of the tepui.
Welcome to the jacuzzis of Mount Roraima.
There's not a lot to do apart from getting your sleeping bag to keep warm. Hey. So we're just gearing up. We're going to go to the cave.
Yeah.
There's the Taz. Sammy.
It's bright.
Come on, put a smile on that face. There you go, a grimace. That's Sammy's smile, that is. Anyway, we're heading off into the unknown. You can clearly see it's foggy. I love heart. So here we are, the entrance to Allegrata. We're doing a descent.
Stato grandissimo.
Into the unknown we go. So it's been raining for the last 20-25 minutes. We're tired, it's the end of the day. We just want to get back to the hotel, have some cafe and chocolate, and just, I don't know then what we're going to do. There's not a lot we can. Wait for tea, then bed down in the tent for the evening, ready for the descent tomorrow. The trepid explorers, the peak pioneers, we're still going strong. Happy birthday to you, dear Sammy.
Thank you so much. Wow.
A bit of birthday cake.
Yeah.
Yes.
The experience is complete.
Our last meal on top of the Tepui. Sharing it with friends, fellow travellers.